All right, thanks for joining us on this very quiet start to the work week, and much deserved, by the way, after a wild weekend of weather here across the valley. Right now, Bemidji, one of the warm spots in the region at 31 degrees, 28 in Detroit Lakes, stapled in the teens here in the Red River Valley for now. Temperatures this morning got mighty chilly to begin the day, below zero as a matter of fact. 27 in Devil's Lake, and it's 27 as well this hour in Sisseton. A look at the terrain now in Fargo, something we don't talk a lot about, but boy, mountains of snow throughout the city as we continue to find places to pile the wintry white. 19 degrees out at Hector right now, 18 at your airport in Moorhead. Wind is generally from a southerly direction, and that's good news. Under clear skies, though, we've lost a degree off the thermometer, and we do have some clouds starting to push into our northern counties. Remember, clouds act as a blanket, keep us a little warmer. Now, as we look to the south and west, not much going on yet. But this guy right here, a big swirling counterclockwise storm system making its way into the southwestern United States, is heading our way for midweek, and it looks to be quite impactful. We'll show you how in a moment. But for tonight, if you're out and about, enjoy the quiet. We will have some clouds pushing southward, and our winds will continue to be from the south as we go through the evening. So I think many of us will see temperatures fall off a few degrees early this evening, maybe even into the teens. And then overnight, a slow and gradual rise in temperatures as winds from the south continue to bring slightly warmer air our way. This can sometimes lead to some areas of patchy fog, so keep that in mind for your Tuesday morning. As we go through midday, temperatures rising into the 20s, and take a gander at this for the afternoon. Fargo, a great shot at being above the melting point of water for the first time since January 7th. It'll be breezy. It'll be a fair amount of cloudiness from the Red River and points east, but by and large, one of the warmer days we've had in months. Enjoy. Hour-by-hour forecast shows the bars are all pegged at the top of the screen here because we're going to be in the 20s and in the mid-30s for the afternoon. South winds, though, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Here's a storm system. Starts in the Central Rockies, Denver, through the places in Wyoming and the western parts of Nebraska and South Dakota get it first. For us, it starts as rain. You see all this green mess right here? South winds and rain begin on Wednesday, late in the day. Then as we go through, models disagree on the exact timing. This is a complex storm, and the temperatures of the atmosphere below the clouds will mean everything to whether you get rain, or more snow. This model rendition says that as we go from Wednesday night into Thursday, though, we're not only going to see many of our counties transition from rain to snow, but look at these ridiculous arrows that are turning red and orange, that they're screaming at us saying it's going to be windy. And as we set this into motion for Thursday, gusty winds over 50 miles per hour will be possible through the Dakotas while this winter weather event takes shape throughout the day on Thursday. So could be a quite brutal condition. Now, one of the models says the heavier snow bands will be found up here, mainly rain in southern Minnesota. And then as we look at the European model, it's showing heavier snows a little farther north, with Fargo getting very little. Nonetheless, this is one to watch because the winds will be so impactful. We will throw out the word blizzard is going to be likely in the Dakotas. We'll keep you updated on the track. Tracy uploaded a dandy and beautiful shot of the snowy trees there. Thanks for doing that. Here's your Wednesday night wintry mix, still mid and upper 30s. And then as we go into Thursday, look out. Looks very stormy. Then as we go toward the weekend, much quieter weather, and Andrea will have some 30s to enjoy into next week. Nothing too cold there, so that is a sign of some positive change.
That is definitely positive after that 90% that you posted. Yeah. Man.
Yes.
It's okay. You gotta go with it, right?
We go with what we need to.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.